But when you talk about a national and local elections, dyan Ma'am Pinky complicated. Kasi dyan papasok, how about incumbents? Parehas na incumbent, sino ang disqualified? Isang incumbent, hindi incumbent, sino ang disqualified? Parehas na first-timer na tumatakbo, sino ang disqualified? Papayagan ba natin yung tinatawag na first to file? Eh kung first to file, kawawa kasi Comelec, ilang araw pa lang before the filing of the candidacy, ang haba ng pila sa Comelec.
May linya na po siguro. Isang
And the
linggo pa lang. Yeah.
nuisance candidate also Ma'am Pinky. And at the same time, yung issue rin, when do you disqualify? Prior to the election or after the election? Kasi yung binanggit nyo kaninang provision ng Article 2, Section 26, public service. So ibig sabihin, pag kandidato ba, pwede mo na i-disqualify? Eh paano kung parehas matalo? Di wala rin pong political dynasty. O dapat papasok lang ang political dynasty once the candidates are elected and therefore, dyan natin pwede ma-invoke. Kaya lang, pagka dinisqualify natin, is that not additional qualification for public office? O kung pre-election naman, hindi ba sinasabi natin, Ma'am Pinky, sa several interviews nyo sa akin, sabi natin, yun ang defect ng batas ngayon. Pag nag-file ng candidacy by October, they are not yet considered candidates.
Right.
They will be considered candidates only on the first day of the campaign period. February 2028 yan. Pagka national position or March 2028 yan.
For
pag
local.
position.